Morning everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well. So I've just been to this property and just swept the chimney, and I was informed by the customer the cow was in the garden. Anyways, she was right, it was in the garden, and now I've got it. I'm talking to the customer, it was held on with tape, which is no longer doing its job, and I'll give it a little bump with a brush and it's just flown off. Apparently it's never fitted the twin wall system since it was new. Tape look. So I don't know what I'm going to do here. Somebody's cut slots into this to make it go inside. It's the wrong one, isn't it? And they've cut some slots on the outside to make it go around the outside. So there's not really much I can do other than just bang it back on for now. You see that tape, aluminium tape. I'm going to clean it all off, got to get on the roof. It really needs a proper cowl fitting, doesn't it? So let's get it back on, keep the birds, not that this one will keep the birds out because I ain't got any mesh in it, but we'll get it on to keep the rain out if there is any, ever again. Tape it on, I'll do whatever I can, and yeah, so I'll see you on the roof anyways. Won't be a minute. Bye. Hello, I am back. I've had a little think how to reattach this, and I've made some, it's a bit of a bodge I'm afraid, but it's better than tape. I've made some legs out of galvanised wire, twisted. I made 3 legs, hooks onto each of these supports for the lid. I'm going to tuck it right down inside, there's a gap. Tuck it as far out the way as I can, and then I'm going to use a Jubilee clip around the twin wall and around these little legs I've made to hold it to the twin wall. I think it's as best we can. I think it needs replacing with a new one if possible, but we'll see how long this lasts. I usually have some flat stainless steel strips which I must have took out the van at some point, and I would have screwed cut some lengths of flat stainless steel and used tech screws with a rubber washer on to secure them, one onto the cowl and one onto the twin wall, but I can't find it in the van, so I'm going to use this for now. It's a appropriate bodge, it'll do for now. I'll keep the lid on and we'll discuss a proper fix in the future. Right, I'm going to get on the roof, see you there. So I'm up here now. Didn't film me putting it on, but it doesn't fit, and I've had to just, it's all rotten, the twin wall's rotten, the cowl's rotten, so I've had to just shove it on as best I can. Don't know, so you see my straps are going to go down there like that. I'm just going to put a Jubilee clip around it. Talk to the customer, she's happy with that, and then I'm going to have to think of a proper solution for this, but this will do for now. Okay, I'll see you in a minute. Okay, so I've got this thing wired on. I've wrapped the extra length of wire around it, so we've got 2 wires. It'll do for now, it'll keep it going. Yeah, okay, that'll do. If I ever come back to this and do a proper repair, I'll let you know, but we'll leave it like that for now. So I'll see you on the next one. Have yourselves a great day. Bye now.